Hello, it's Darren again from First Place Finishing, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Expert Stain machine. It is for pre-staining timbers of all kinds. So we're going to assemble it here and just give a little explanation of the parts. So here we go. First we're going to assemble the legs. Now that the legs are assembled, we're going to look at the parts here. We're going to start with the trough. Trough is where we're going to put the 5 gallons of stain. That's what it holds. As you can see here, there's the base for the trough, and it fits nicely on top. So a few more parts we have down here is we have the 5-gallon hopper. We have the filter, because as you know, some people coat roughs on wood and it has lots of fibers that come off, and this collects all the big pieces. We have the foam rollers and the tray for the bottom roller. And the rollers are adjustable and they saturate the boards that you're putting through with the stain on all 4 sides. So inside the machine there's already installed 2 side rollers as well, and the rollers get saturated with the stain, and as you pull the boards out they are back brushed by multiple brushes on the other side. One of the reasons why I purchased this machine is there's a great demand for pre-finishing or pre-staining. Either you can do it on site or in a warehouse or anywhere, because this machine you can fit in the back of a truck. It's only 132 pounds and it coats all sides at once of whatever board. I think it goes up to a 3x12 board. Not that I would want to run something that big, but it has a capability of coating something that size. If you're building a pergola and your pergola package is quite detailed, you can run the boards through this machine first and then have it for your installers later. And the beauty of Expert Stain is it doesn't leave lap marks, fingerprints, or brush marks. You just put the board through the machine, it gets saturated with the stain, and it gets back brushed as you pull it out. And you upstack it for a little bit, and then you can put it back into the bundles for your installers ready to install. So when the machine is in operation, the excess stain flows down to this bucket, an empty bucket, to collect the stain that collects in the bottom of the unit here. And therefore you're not wasting any material and you're recycling the material back into the machine once it's full. Cleanup for this machine is fairly simple, especially if you're using the Expert Stain and Seal. Take the rollers and the brushes and put them in a bucket with the stain that you used, and you just give the machine a quick wipe down. Our next project with this machine will be almost 5,000 lineal feet of tongue and groove pine that we're going to run through. The efficiencies of this machine, I can't see it taking longer than 3 days at the most, where if you were to do it on site, on scaffolding, it would take probably well over a week to do. A machine like this will be paid off in, relatively the first couple of jobs that you do. The return on investment is great after that. We purchased this through Fence Armor, and they're a great supporter of everything I do. Kudos to them for providing this machine. If you're looking to get into pre-staining yourself, this is a very easy cost of entry to do that yourself. Whether you're a homeowner, a fence builder, a contractor up north, is very portable and very cost efficient.